How to transfer all photos from gallery to Google Photos. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can transfer all photos from gallery to your Google Photos. Alright, the first thing to do is to open up your gallery. Alright, so once you've opened your gallery, go ahead and select the photos that you want to transfer to Google Chrome. And how do you do this? Move to your album and then long press on, or just open up the album that you want to transfer. Long press on a particular image, and then once you long press on it, you will see a checkbox by the top right corner of the image screen, and then also by the top right corner of the album screen you will see another box. All right, just click on it this way. Once you click on it, all of the image taken in a day would be selected. Go ahead and keep on checking all the boxes. And once you're satisfied with the photos that you want to transfer, by the lower part of the screen you see some icons, right? Such as the add icon, the share icon, the collage, delete, more. Select the share. Once you click on the share icon, another box will be displayed, all right, and then you see some icons. You see so many applications such as Ayoba, Bluetooth, Discord, etc. And then by the lower right corner of the screen, you'll see upload to photos. That is upload to Google Photos. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you would be directed to another page asking you the Google account that you want to use. If this is Google account, you select it. Or you, if this is Google account, just click on upload by the lower right corner of the screen. But if not, click on the arrow on the Google account, and then before that, on your Google Photos, ensure you have changed the account that you want to upload the images to. Okay, so once you've changed it, the one here will be changed automatically as well. And then once that is done, click on upload by the lower right corner of the screen. And once you click on upload, all of the images, all of the photos that you have in your gallery will be transferred to your photo, to your Google Photo. So this is how you can transfer all photos to Google Photos. Thanks for watching.